Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your Apple Watch band, Solar Loop, or the sports wristband from or of your Apple Watch inside of an ultrasonic cleaning system. You can see on this band it's really dirty, as you can see. This is a dirt from 2 years plus, and it's time to make a fresh, refreshing option to get this band like new before. I am going to use for that thread an ultrasonic cleaning device. It is a process that uses ultrasound to agitate a fluid. The ultrasound can be used with just water, but use of a solvent appropriate for the object to be cleaned and the type of soiling present enhance the effect. So we are using a little bit of soap, fresh water, and I'm going to use that built-in heater system in that ultrasonic cleaner. If you do not have a heater in it, you can make warm water, approximately 60 degrees Celsius. Then it's better to clean the band. But first step, we have to remove the band from the glock. Turn around the glock and you can see there are buttons on the top side and on the bottom side of it. Push them and slide the band out of position. Job's done. Perform the same thing on the other band. For example, here, this is a really dirty thing. And woo! Let's remove that easily. Yeah. Now we can do this with a solar loop, easier, while we are going to dip that on the opposite side. It's really easy. So let's start now. Usually, the ultrasonic should be between 20 up to 40 kilohertz. In my system, it's 40 kilohertz. It's better. It's really better. Ultrasonic cleaners are used to clean many different types of objects, like the wristband of your Apple Watch. We're going to get a little bit of soap in it. Job's done. That is all what we are going to need to clean this stuff easily, really easily. So it's really easy. We will dip now the bands in position, and that it is. Now we're going to set up for approximately 10 up to 15 minutes of ultrasonic cleaner timer sound. This maybe helps a lot, but if it does not complete the cleaning process, you can add a little bit more time to it, no problem. But this is all what you have to do, and we are going to see how it works after 15 minutes of ultrasonic sound. Wow! But I'm scared. I do not dip the Apple Watch itself into ultrasonic cleaner. I called the support of Apple and asked them, but they don't told me that I should do that. So let's do that not. Let's start now on cleaning process. Did you saw the bubbles? Oh, so tiny, so cute. Okay, 15 minutes are ready. So let's have a look what the band should told us now. They will tell us, oh, it's so hot here inside, and I peeled off the dirt. Ooh. Okay, let's stop. Let's dip them. Let's grab them out of the tank of the ultrasonic cleaner. Use a cloth. It's enough to use a standard cloth, a cotton cloth, to remove the water and the dirt of the band. Here we are. Yeah, this is nice, as you can see. Let's do that again. Ooh, here you can see the silicone band is not damaged and the dirt is going to drop off immediately if we are going to use a cotton cloth with it. Really easy, as you can see, to clean an Apple Watch band by using an ultrasonic cleaning machine. This is for the hard, non-absorbent materials, metal, plastics, etc., and silicone. It's not chemically attacked, but the cleaning fluid are suitable for ultrasonic cleaning. Ideal materials for ultrasonic cleaning included small bands, Apple watch bands like here, are really nice to clean in a warm ultrasonic cleaner. The time is approximately 15 minutes. Now we're going to attach it fast back on the Glock and job's done. Really awesome. Let's perform this with the Solar Loop 2. Yeah, here we are. This is how to clean your band. Nice and easy by using an ultrasonic cleaner. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.